Hello, today I'm going to present BSB CSU 501 Managed Quality Customer Service Charter of JVHM Company Hospitality Private Limited. My name is Hemakshi Mayur Patel and my student ID is TAS0466. Customer Service Charter. With regards to client support, desires are the key. It is critical to simply diagram what sort of administration your clients can anticipate. Customer Service Charter can enable your business to set up these principles and convey them to all partners and to its clients. Background of my company. JVHM Hospitality is one of Australia's biggest yet personalized organization committed to promoting and joining self-regulating hoteliers with bookers around Australia. We give profits, deals and promoting services and consultancy to more than 200 independent hotels and small accommodation group. The purpose of the charter. Our customer service charter sets out the standards of service and conduct that must to strengthen our association with every one of our clients the nationwide. This standard of administration is the thing that you as a client can hope to get when you contact our service. JVHM hospitality clients incorporate every single buyers over the Australia in both an open and expert limit. We make sure that your privilege to approach treatment are maintained as set out in equally legislation. Safeguard the individual data you give us. Educate you regarding your privilege and qualification as suitable. We give a procedure to you to submit a question about our administration. We will do our absolute best to put things right in the event that we do have committed an mistake or error and will attempt to determine your objection completely. Customer service goals and principle. Responsiveness, quality, privacy are our goals and principle. Responsiveness. We will react immediately to inquiry through a telephone or web administration. We plan to react to telephone inquiry messages inside one working day and mail correspondence inside 10 working days. Our staff comprehend your issue due to their broad involvement in business. We intend to tailor our reaction to your necessities. We have framework set up to guarantee that we secure your classified data. We comprehend that your thoughts are your business advantage and want you to utilize your situation to increase a benefit for ourselves or others. Professionalism. Our professional interaction with you will be directed with trustworthiness and genuineness. Each client is dealt with similarly. Our keen will be responsible in their dealing with you. Customer rights. We aim to provide the following customer rights. The Australian consumer law designed to cater to the demands and requirement of the consumer. The law safeguards to the right of the consumer, intending to ensure that business do not take advantage of any customers. The client can hope to be managed while choosing our administration. The client can hope to be treated in a conscious and expert manner. As we remain with our name for base quarantine services, you will be presented with it. The clients can complain at any time during the service. All our employees are prepared to act in an expert manner, and from the earliest starting point till the end, we have a similar help guidelines. Complaint and feedback procedure and appeal procedure. Feedback including complaint, compliments, suggestion or any information our program delivery, services or performance. You can provide feedback using our online feedback form or by calling us, or you can come directly to our company. Should you have any complaint, we appreciate you provide us with the first opportunity to resolve it. All people have the right to raise concern and make legitimate complaints and expect that the issues raised will be handled in a fair and confidential manner. The review process will determine if we acted accordingly to our policies and guidelines. Feedback and suggestion. Our contact details are you can call us on 0712345678, or you can email us admin@tvhmpty.com.au. In the conclusion, I can say that as I described, we are giving best customer service to our clients and give them answers of all difficulties or inquiries they might have. Ultimately, we are one solution for all the difficulties, and we give We also give them endless support to avoid any upcoming difficulties and do our best in the welfare of our company and to our clients. Our clients and then satisfaction are the main reason for our business to keep develops. And so without our client satisfaction, we cannot develop and achieve our goals. Subsequently, our clients means the world for us. These are the reference. Thank you. If you have any question, you're free to ask. Thank you.